Hello, just a quick one today. 5 Series GT. I'm not sure what year it is, but it's G30 or G40, something like that. But basically, it's a 5 Series GT, fairly new, and it has these sort of lights. So if one of the angel eyes lights, like this one in my case, glows yellow, then this is the problem. And to be exact, here is the problem. It caught a little bit of water, burnt, and that's it, it's glowing yellow. So we bought a new one, and it will be time to fit it. And if you're unsure where it is, depending on which side it happened on, in my case it's on this side, or which is the left side. If you take the wheel arch, not all of it, but the front half, it's right underneath, right there. See, so you just plug the little connection in, slide that on, and 2 screws, and it has to work. There's no other way. So obviously, before you fit that light, have a look if your points at the top are not burnt like this one. You see, this one is very nicely burnt, you could say. And after fitting the new parts, the light is still yellow. Well, it will be yellow because it can't shine through this burnt part, so that has to be cleaned, ideally with I don't know what so far. Maybe a sandpaper. Don't know. I need to think of something. Okay, so I've used my this sort of grinding device, and to be fair, it looks much better. If you shine some light onto it, it actually reflects nice and white light. Previously, you've seen that part was burnt. So that been sanded down. Now it just needs to be blown away with some air, and that's it. Ready to be fitted, and we'll see what light we're gonna get this time. So it was yellow, and now it's not yellow. So voila. Thank you for watching. See you next time.